Today's project is a King Cobra, done a little bit different than normal. For this one, we have a 2-strand core consisting of 1 strand at 15 inches long or 38.1 centimeters. It is melded together, connected to form the core. The colors we are using: first, black and blue, both connected together. They are each 36 inches long or 91.44 centimeters. We're going to be using yellow and red also. These are not connected together. They are each 48 inches long or 121.92 centimeters. You're going to need a pair of scissors or something sharp to cut with, a lighter or some sort of fire, some type of presser, and again, I'm using the marlin spike. Well, I'll tell you what, let's do it. We are going to start by going through the side of the cow hitch and put it in there and center it, and I'm having the black on the right side. Now the red, and the yellow. Alright, to start out, we're taking the black from the right side, coming underneath and up right through that slot there, and back down through the loop you made with the black. Tighten up. The blue from the right side, we're doing the exact same thing but on the other side, picking it up through the loop, that little slot there, and then going down through the loop you made, and then tying it up. Now, I'm going to start from the yellow on the right side, goes over the top, yellow from the left, over that one, underneath, and up through the loop on the right side. Yes, this is a typical Cobra. Tighten it up, and again, now from the left side, it goes over the top. The yellow from the right side goes over that one, underneath, and up through that loop on the left side. We're taking the red, it's coming under the yellow, and then it goes over the black. The other red, left side, goes under the yellow there, over that red, underneath, up through the loop on the right side. Tighten. Now the red from the left side goes over the top. Right side red goes over that, under and up through the loop on the left side. Yes, a typical Cobra again. Now the yellow goes over the top, starting with the right side, and it goes over the top of the core. So that front side goes over that, under, up through the loop from the left side, right side, and tighten. Now from the left side, it goes over, and then the yellow from that side goes over that yellow, underneath, and up from the loop on the left side. Now I know you typically should know how to do your Cobra, and if not, just slow down. And if you've seen the pattern so far, and it's going to continue all the way to the end. Okay, I'm gonna take yellow and going down through it on the side of the cow hitch up here. And the yellow from this side. Also down to the cow hitch. And I'm just opening it up in the bottom. And then we're going to do the same thing with the rest.
Takes me high, can't deny it, time to try. Bracelet dance beneath the sky. Paracord dreams, they never lie. Colors clash, bright neon glow. In my room I stash the show. Twisting ties that never slow. Hands create what hearts bestow. Threads entwine with passion pure. Crafting skills, they find the shore. Loop by loop, the bond secure.
Now,
Art of non-sweet tales obscure.
come back up and up. Now we're taking the black. And this is going over, and this is the King Cobra part, going over, the blue goes over the black, then underneath, and then comes up from the loop on the right side. Now, black on the left, it goes over towards the right, blue from the right, goes over that, underneath, up through the loop on the left side. And then we'll just continue. Just follow along. If you need to, pause, slow down, or stop it.
Takes me high, can't deny it, time to try. Bracelet dance beneath the sky. Paracord dreams, they never lie. Colors clash, bright neon glow. In my room I stash the show. Twisting ties that never slow. Hands create what hearts bestow. Threads entwine with passion pure. Crafting skills, they find the shore. Loop by loop, the bond secure. Art of non-sweet tales obscure. Cobra mod fever takes me high. Can't deny it, time to try. Bracelet dance beneath the sky.